everyone, thank you for choosing Wati. In this video, we are going to teach you how you can complete the embedded sign-up step by step. So first of all, the first thing that you need to prepare is your Facebook page. Before you start, make sure you are the admin of your Facebook page of your company, because later on you will need to log into your Facebook in order to accept the request from Claire.ai as a business provider for your WhatsApp API. The second thing you will need to prepare is your phone number for WhatsApp official API. What you will need to prepare for this number is to make sure that it is not linked to any WhatsApp application account, as in your WhatsApp personal account or the WhatsApp business app. Because one number can only be used in one of the WhatsApp products. If you wish to connect this number for WhatsApp API, you cannot have this number on the WhatsApp application. If everything is prepared, let's get started. If you would like to sign up, we have the automatic process that only 4 steps you will be able to get on board in Wati. First of all, go to our official website, wati.io, and on top you will see the pricing page. Once you click here, you will arrive this page that you will see 2 different products that we are offering, the Wati CRM and the WhatsApp API Gateway. You can switch between 2 products, and once you confirm which one to go for, you can scroll down here, simply click choose this plan, and you will be redirecting to a page. Then first of all, you will have 4 steps here as I mentioned. So in the first step, you simply need to choose your plan, monthly or annual plan, and your product type. So for example, I'll go for the Wati CRM, and you can choose how many agents that you're going for and which country you would like to use this product from. And when you go down, if you agree with the terms and conditions, then you can proceed to the next steps. For step 2 here, you simply need to fill in your information. So if you are the person in charge of setting up this API account or Wati account, you simply need to fill in your information, your email address for contact, and also your personal number for contact. So after you confirm all the information, you can proceed to the payment step. In this page, in the payment, you will need to use your credit card to confirm the payment of Wati. That will be for the monthly or annual subscription, and also for the future usage as well. Okay, so once you arrive this page, you will need to pay with the card. Simply fill in your email and your credit card detail and click subscribe. Once it's done, it will proceed to step 4 to start the embedded sign-up process. Great, so after you have completed the payment, step 4 will be the WhatsApp business onboarding. As mentioned, you will need to log into your Facebook account. Make sure this is your Facebook account, and then you click continue. Click get started to link to your Facebook page. So first of all, make sure you are the admin of your Facebook page in order to accept the request from Claire.ai as your business provider. Now you will need to select the Facebook page that you would like to get verified. Create a new business account, just put your business name here, click continue. Then your account will be processing to the setup. Great, so in step 2, what you will need to do is input the related WhatsApp API business information. So just input your display name. If your display name is different from your legal business name, please make sure that you provide the website in order to prove that it is the same business. After that, choose a category of your industry. And if it is needed, you can also put the description there for Facebook. So continue for step 3. As we mentioned, you will need to provide a clean number that is not linked to any WhatsApp account. So just input your number here. You can input landline or a clean number to receive text message, which is SMS or a voice call. You will receive a verification code. So simply input here and then your number will be linked to WhatsApp API. Amazing, so it is very easy here. Click OK and then you're ready to go. So make sure that now you're going to your Facebook Business Manager to continue the process of verifying your entity on Facebook. In this video, we are going to teach you how you can complete your business verification process on Facebook Business Manager step by step. So this process will be an essential step for you to obtain your WhatsApp official API. For what you will need to prepare, first of all, you will need to prepare your legal business document issued by your local government. For example, some taxation document or the business proof of your company will be the good document to submit. Secondly, for address proof, you will need to provide a phone bill, electricity bill, or bank statement, and make sure on this kind of document you have your official business name on it or your official business address. Lastly, for your business website or email, you will need to provide an email address under your company name. So please do not provide any email like at gmail.com or at yahoo.com. Those will not be approved by WhatsApp. If you have all this document ready, let's get started. So first of all, to submit business verification, you will need to log in to the Facebook Business Manager. You will see the link below in description. What you will need to do is go to Business Setting, scroll down on your left and click Security Center. Then you will see the business verification session right there. So click Start Verification. In step 1, you will be writing down all the business detail about your company. For example, the legal business name, your registered address, and your business website. So after you input all the detail, step 2, you will need to upload your legal business document issued by your local government. So make sure that all the legal name, address will be the same as what you input in step 1. You will just need to prepare a PDF of that, a scanned document, and drag and drop here. Make sure you select the correct language of the document. So if it's in Chinese or English or any other language, then you will need to select the correct language correspondingly. Click Next for the step 3. Right here, you will need to verify your business address or phone number. So what you will need to do here is upload the address proof of your company. So make sure in your address proof, you have the exact same legal name of your company and the legal address as the business document you submit in step 2. So for this part, you can upload your phone bill, electricity bill, or bank statement, for example. So same thing, click Next to the step 4, which is the final step of business verification. Right here, you will need to input your business email to verify your company email, or you put the website here. So make sure this email address you input is the business email instead of like Gmail or at yahoo.com. So those will not be allowed. When you receive the email, you will have a verification code. Just input here and click Submit. Then it is done. Only 4 steps for business verification, and it will take roughly 3 to 5 days for Facebook for verifying your business. So make sure you submit all the correct document. If not, Facebook will send an email to notify you to resubmit the document right here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more content from Wati, please like and comment below and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.